One of the best ways to reduce fire damage, restoration, and repair costs for a homeowner or building owner and the traumatic experience associated with the loss of your personal items is to develop an inventory document or videotape your possessions. In order to reduce the stress and make the insurance reimbursement process easier, it's very important that owners document the serial numbers of key, more expensive items which need to be replaced. In addition, an extra valuable step which every homeowner can take is to videotape, in as much detail as possible, a video inventory of all your possessions and different furniture items in every room in your house. This one step alone will help reduce the cost of fire damage, restoration, and repair costs. This is a simple process which can be achieved with any smartphone or other camera device. If you have some type of removable hard drive or disk, it's best to store your documents or videotaped information in a secure, fireproof place, like a safe or bank vault. Remember, those items of special or significant value to you are the ones which need to be highlighted within your documentation or video inventory. If you ever have the misfortune of having fire damage repair costs or fire restoration repair costs, make sure you contact a fire damage restoration expert with a special understanding of fire cleanup procedures. RainFire Restoration is your locally owned and operated fire damage restoration and repair experts with guaranteed services and well-trained professionals. At RainFire Restoration, we help you recover from the accidents of everyday living.